I got some deliveries, and this time it is from Mers Paluto. Aside from their tagline, mas pinasarap na luto sa Mers Paluto, they are also known for their bilao meals. And they promise that it will not only be tasty, but it will be freshly made the moment you schedule your delivery. Their bilao packages starts from 1,688 up to 1,999. But actually, you can customize your own bilao, which price starts at 1,199 pesos. And you can add this family pack dishes which prices starts at 115 pesos. To order, you may just message Mers Paluto official account here in Facebook and in Instagram. And I've heard lami ilang kinupusan, and yes, promise guys, lami good ilahang kinupusan, and it's really worth it. You can have the kinupusan alone for 380 pesos. And this chicken is also really good. Lami man tanan oy murag wala may lami ani nga bilao. Actually magphoto o para man unta ko pero nanguha na ko pagkaon. And of course, bilao is best eaten with family or with friends. So for that, mga ona ta guys, ko na ko akong family kay actually ang ako ni siyang pa-birthday. And pahabol di ay guys, lami magitanan no pero gawa sa kinupusan ang mas recommend yun ang ilahang special bami. And then again guys, don't forget to brush your teeth after eating and to follow me in all my social media account. Let us continue to stay safe, stay healthy, and just keep smiling. Bye-bye!